Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with me, Alex. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into a fascinating word, additional. This is a B2 level adjective that means extra or more than what is already present. It's one of those versatile words that you can use in so many everyday situations. Let's start by defining additional clearly. It refers to something that is added to what you already have or need. For example, if you're ordering food at a restaurant and you're feeling extra hungry, you might ask for an additional side of fries. It's that simple. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words like extra, further, supplementary, and added carry a similar meaning. For instance, instead of saying, "Can I have an additional blanket?" you could say, "Can I have an extra blanket?" Another example would be, "We'll need further information to complete the project." These words help keep your language varied and engaging. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. Words like basic, minimal, or limited contrast with additional. For example, you could say, "This package includes only the basic features," to indicate there's nothing additional included. Another example might be, "His responsibilities are limited to managing the budget." How can we use additional in everyday life? It's quite common. Think about shopping. If you find out there's an additional discount on a product, wouldn't that make your day? In conversations, you might hear, "Do you have any additional questions about the meeting?" Or perhaps at work, "We need additional staff to handle the holiday rush." These are practical, real-world uses that you'll likely encounter often. Let me share a few more examples of sentences using additional. The hotel offered an additional night free of charge. After reviewing the data, we requested additional research to clarify the results. She brought additional snacks for the road trip. Each of these highlights how natural and useful this word can be in different contexts. To wrap up, we've explored the meaning of additional, shared some synonyms like extra and supplementary, looked at antonyms such as basic and minimal, and discussed how to use the word in everyday situations. I hope this episode has helped you feel more confident using additional in your own conversations. Before you go, I'd love to ask for your support. Please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge. Can you create your own sentence using additional? Share it as a comment. I'd love to read your ideas. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.